Hi friends, welcome to part 2. It is the morning of my little birthday celebration, pre-birthday celebration, and yeah, I'm just busy doing my hair. I'm using my Safeway hair crimper. We're going to head out at about 11:30 just to go and do some more things and then head to the pottery. And yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm finished my hair. Just finished doing my hair with my Safeway crimper and it's looking all curly. But anyways, I'm gonna get dressed now and I'll do a little OOTD when I'm done and then we're gonna head out. Quick OOTD before we leave. This is the fits. My favorite poncho ever, and it's thrifted. Can you believe it? And then I'm gonna wear these beautiful cowboy boots, cowgirl boots from Woolworths. So yeah, let's go. Yeah, I think so. Good stuff. Hi friends, I am back from the pottery. I didn't vlog per se, but it was such a lovely time. I'm so glad I was able to celebrate with some good friends of mine, and my best friend surprised me, I wish I had a video, but yeah, she surprised me. She came all the way from Cape Town and surprised me for my birthday, so honestly, almost cried, but yeah, it was such an amazing time. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for more birthday party prep coming next week, and obviously birthday vlog tomorrow. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye.